Hello, and today I will show you how to create a skin for Minecraft for free. First of all, you're gonna go to www.silvergames.com Minecraft skin editor. So this is my skin. It's the name is Herobrine Elemental Herobrine. His name is Elemental Herobrine. See? Elemental. And see that Elemental Herobrine? Guys, this way how 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 create skin for free. Please guys, link in description. Goodbye.